Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at how to make an image, specifically some text that has a transparent background behind it. So if you decide to slap it in a web page or a video game or something like that, you don't get the big, let's say, white box of white surrounding your text. So let's take a look at how to do this. This is going to be specifically for a web page, but it can work in a lot of applications. What I'm going to do here is I've set my width to 800 pixels and my height to 200 pixels. This is going to be a little title for a web page. But I want the title to be some cool text without any color surrounding the text. So here we go. I click OK. I'm going to slap just some text on there. So let's get some text on there. That's not very big, so let's get this font a little bigger here. Let's make it 60. Oh, it's way too big. Let's go to 36. No, 30. Not bad. And let's just call this title text. Now I'm going to make this text even better with a little bonus here. I'm going to right-click the layer, and I'm going to do blending options. Now, if you don't know about these, there is a video on blending options, but I'm going to really quickly just add a little bit of stuff here. Whoops, outside. There, that's sort of looking okay. I'll do a little drop shadow. Where's my drop shadow? Get a little bit of glow there. And whoops, let me do one more. And a little bevel emboss. There we go, not bad. So I have my text, but I also have all this white stuff. Well, here's the thing when you do text in Photoshop. It always puts the text on its own layer. So our text is all on that layer. Really what I have to do here is I just have to get rid of this white background layer. So to get rid of a layer like this that's just all white, you can just trash can it. Delete it, yep, and it's gone. Now when you do delete it, you're going to see you're left with this checker pattern. That checker pattern just indicates there's nothing there, right? There's nothing behind it. And so this basically is a transparent image, right? There's no background there. Now, how do you save it? This is sort of one of the keys. You can't save this as a JPEG. JPEG doesn't support the transparent picture. So what we want to do is we want to go File, and this is my favorite way to do it, is go to Export. You can export as a PNG. You can choose export as and then decide. I like using the old one from the older Photoshop from last year, which was Save for Web. This gives a nice little interface for us. You can see what our picture is going to look like. All you have to do is don't take JPEG. You'll see here JPEG is going to be just white. So you can take a GIF or you can take a PNG24, and I would take the PNG. Just personal preference. Make sure transparency is ticked, so it maintains the transparency, and that's it. Just save your image, and then when it's saved, you have yourself a transparent image. You slap that on a web page or video game, whatever the background is, you're going to see the background of the actual page, and this text will just nicely show up on top of it. That's basically transparent images. Now, some students also ask, how do I get the white away from a picture? That's another video I have there. You can find that one and see how you can remove the white from around a picture if that's what you need to do. Thanks for watching.